I think discovery is who I am. I just like discovering things. I like reading and understanding things. I like to create things that have never been created before. I like to discover great people, great personalities. And my people in my company always say to me, Doc, you just have too many ideas and too many things to do. And I always say, just give me something to change. I don't care what you've done. Give me something to change. When people ask me, what kind of an optometrist are you? I always say, I'm a visual neurologist. I deal with the brain and the eye. My field of vision happens to be color vision and tumors and things like that. Our company has designed and implemented probably about 35 or 40 therapeutic lenses to help people in the areas of macular degeneration, grand mal seizures, epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, albinism, retinitis pigmentosa. We have all kinds of lenses that work in a therapeutic way neurologically with the brain. So these are all the things that I've been involved in for the last 50-something years, is the neurology of vision. How does it work, and how can we change it, and how can we make it, better?
Herb Wertheim was really concerned with the overall health of the community and the people in it. Preventive medicine, in his view, was the wave of the future if we were going to have a healthy future.
I think if you ask Dr. Wertheim in particular what his priority would be, he would state very clearly would be wellness. How do you find ways to keep people out of clinics, out of hospitals, to keep them well? And he knows what it is to live in difficult circumstances. And I know that he wanted to find a way to make sure that others didn't have the same difficult circumstances that he had.
I am a product of public education. Certainly the first person in my family to ever graduate from college. Probably the first person that had a GED, because neither one of my parents ever graduated from high school. So my commitment's to public education, whether it be through the Plant Conservatory, whether it be through the Music Conservatory and Performing Arts Center, whether it be through the School of Nursing, Medicine, and now at the University of Florida, which is where I really got my head start.
The Wertheims are all about partnerships. They're all about interaction and infusion of each other with ideas, excitement, and innovative ways of pursuing old problems.
His vision included an intense experience in the community and how we could form a program that was unique, different than any other medical school, with a specific mission to try to prevent illness and to improve the health of communities and families.
Herb's vision for medical education and the role of a medical school in preventive medicine and community health has now been copied all across the country. It's a vital, positive ingredient in the future of medicine.
I'm kind of a farmer at heart, and I'm a scientist, electrical engineer, a physicist, and just plain curious. My goal was to be able to have better health care for our community. I've discovered a great university, whether it be the University of Florida, University of Tennessee, FIU, whether it be Stanford or MIT or Harvard. Those are what kind of made me. To me, these universities are my garden. And I plant the seed and I fertilize the best I can. And other people will wind up, in many cases, receiving the crop. But that's my joy.